Hi, I'm Vanessa Seder with Maine Lobster Now, and today I'm going to be showing you my favorite way to steam clams. When you receive your lobster trap box in the mail, in it you'll find live, soft shell steamer clams. They're found in the mud and sand, so I recommend cleaning them in a solution. I have here some sea salt, cornmeal, and water. Take a couple big pinches of sea salt, about 1 or 2 tablespoons of cornmeal, and stir them together. I do this because I want to clean the shells and the debris inside the shells. And if you keep them in the solution, you're really going to get some nice, sweet, plump clams. So now I have my clams. And occasionally, because they are soft shells, you might find 1 or 2 which have a few cracks on them. If you find one that has a little bit of cracking going on, throw them away, but the rest are good to go. Bring a few inches of water to a full boil. Use your hand to take the clams out of the cornmeal solution and into boiling water. Cover with a lid. So, how long should you steam your clams? Well, there isn't a specific time, but generally I like to cook them between 4 and 10 minutes. I like to check a couple times during the cooking process to make sure that all the shells have opened. If they're not all open, give it a couple more minutes, but you want to make sure not to overcook your clams because they become rubbery. Any clams that haven't opened in the pot, discard those as well. Ooh, looks like they're done. They look so good. They smell like the ocean. Now time to plate them up. I like to serve my clams with some drawn butter and some nice toasty bread. Looks delicious. Have your own Maine experience with Maine Lobster Now. If you enjoyed this video, check out our other videos at Maine Lobster Now.